angles of a triangles students can learn by looking at this model. So, there are some slots here. Okay. So, this is triangle actually, this is triangle, and once I put the pieces you will be very clearly able to see the triangle. Then we know that the exterior angles, okay, interior angles will add up to 180 and the exterior angles will add up to 360. Okay. So, sum of the angles of triangles is 180 is proved in the classroom, okay, by using Euclid's axiom, okay, especially the fifth postulate which I asked in the quiz. But this model will readily tell students how it comes out to be 180. So, I will display now this. So, these names are given here A, X, Y, B and so on, and on these plates also pieces the names are written. So, you can easily do that actually. So, now I will put the pieces together. So, this is X, this is Y, this is B, this is A, now can you see this? This X, Y, Z are interior angles, and A, this is A is exterior angle. I will come to more closer. Do you see this, all of you? Last bench, I will come there maybe. You see this X, Y, Z are interior angles and A, B, C are exterior angles. You can see this. Yes? You see this? X, Y, Z are angles of triangle and A, B, C are exterior ones. Have you seen this? Yes? Yes. Now, X plus Y plus Z should come out to be 180 and A plus B plus C should be equal to 360. So, this circle you can see here. So, if I can fit in X, Y, Z, the half semicircle, then it means that it is 180. Yes. So, let us put X, Y, Z, X, Z and Y. See, X plus Y plus Z is 180. This will fall down. You see this, all of you? X plus Y plus Z is 180. Yes? Now, I should show A plus B plus C equal to 360. Okay. This is A, this is B and this is C. See, A plus B plus C. This is arbitrary triangle. So, you can tell students that you take any triangle like this, then actually this displays that why. Remember, the proof is not so easy. Sum of the angles of triangle is 180. You have to make some construction, okay, then you can prove this. But the model readily tells you that why this sum of the angles of triangles is 180.